Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Long time no vlog. Long time no vlog. I'm so sorry to you guys. I'm so sorry. I haven't uploaded a vlog in a long time, and I'm uploading this particular one. So we're going to spend a day in my life together. A day in my life together. So today is February 15th, and I think it is currently 11:42. I want to go to the market. If you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria, I just want to tell you, keep holding in because things are ridiculously expensive. It's 11:42. I actually just washed my face and like did my skin care on my face and my sunscreen. Guys, I was at MedPlus the other day to buy skincare items. So I use Dr. Rachel's sunscreen like normally. That is what I use. And because I went with my sister uses Black Girl sunscreen, and me, JJ, I wanted to buy my Dr. Rachel. I'm just actually realizing that I'm filming with the front camera. No problem. So I actually have a particular place that I buy my skincare products. But the day I wanted to buy my moisturizer, the simple replenishing or hydrating, actually I would use anyone, and my sunscreen, but my app just did not open on that particular day. So I was just like, okay. So yesterday being Valentine's Day, I knew I was going out and I wanted to just like, I had not used my sunscreen for 2 days, and I have a serum that contains vitamin C. Even if I don't have a serum that contains vitamin C, I knew I needed to repurchase my sunscreen. So my sister, so where I normally buy my sunscreen was, the guy told me it's 3.5, but when I got to MedPlus, of course I was buying at a mall compared to my regular local place. The guy told me 3.5. I want to be getting ready because I want to leave the house at exactly 12 o'clock. The guy told me 3.5, but because my bank app did not work, I couldn't pay, so I left. At MedPlus, I bought it for 4,150. So that's the difference of about 650 naira if my maths are correct, or if my maths is correct. Then my sister asked for the price of Black Girl sunscreen. Guys, Black Girl sunscreen is now 17,000 plus. Then the Misha or Misa or Skin Aqua is 14,000 plus. Me, I just bought my Dr. Rachel because so going to the market. I have the list of the things I want to buy here already. Things are unreasonably expensive. I think I'll fill this bottle with water because the way I've been drinking water these days, is alarming. Then I just want to go. I don't think I want to wear earrings. It's just market, and I'll be back. I'm going to use a face cap because the sun will be beating directly on my head. So I'm going to use a face cap. What else? So let's go to the market. Let's go. And also face mask. Let's go to the
sannan akwai wani mai wanda ba sai na gaya muku sirrinsa ba, wanda ake hada wannan mai mai suna waraka. Ina mutumin da ya ji targaɗe ya kai shekara 3 targaɗen yana ba shi wahala. Idan kai ma ya wani targaɗen sai ya mutu. Allah shi gaba ta malam ka ɗauki wannan mai namu mai suna waraka. Shafa ma wannan targaɗen nan take ka rabu da wannan cutar targaɗen insha Allah. Ina matan aure wadda take fama da ƙaiƙayin gaba. Ina matan aure mai fama da ƙaiƙayin gaba. Wata za ka tana so sa gaban ka idan kana fama da ciwon haƙori ko chronic infection ko kana fama da kusha-kushi na ƙafa ko kana fama da cin ruwa na tsakanin yatsa da yatsa, wannan dutsen ka ga yadda ake
Auntie, we are pretty good, Gary.
Kusha-kushin ko cin ruwa. Baby girl. Darajar ikon Allah haka zai za ka rabu da larura ka in Allah ya yarda. Mai ulsa in ta shekara 20 ka narka shi da ruwan sanyi yanzu ka sha.
Now, to tell me I come here, how much last?
You know the best that is the
How much last?
ya kamar jiya shi kamar tana a jikinka ka duba girman Allah ka mallaki wannan dutse wannan dutse ba irin na kasar ku bane dan libiya ne kayi ayyukan ka da dama mutumin da yake fama da matsalar tsutsan ciki ko macijin ciki ko kumburin ciki
Yeah, give me 3 minutes.
mutumin da yake tsutsan ciki ya ko babba a mallaki wannan dutse a jika a ruwan sanyi in yana da aika a sha alfarmar ikon Allah an rabu da shi bawan Allah da yake da lalurar ciwon hanta ko koda ko sikila yana damu da kai ko dan uwanka ina bawan Allah da zai ce yayi magani har ya da bai dace in ka mallaki wannan dutse akan yana gani ka jika shi ka sha darajar ikon Allah idan ka yi tsari kai a fili za ka ga yadda kake kwararar da ciwon sanyi kamar ɗanyen man gyaɗa a ƙasa idan kana da fasa haka za ka ga yana yankowa a tuna ɗinka yana fita kamar ɗanyen kwai mutumin da zai ce fasa yana tsawo amma ya gaji da magani a kan fasa har ya gaji da bacci ka duba girman Allah ka jarraba wannan dutse ɗan biya wannan dutsen ba irin dutsen ƙasar ku bane ba irin dutsen potato za ka da ana labarin ɗan Libya kayi ayyukan ka da dama na da ta'alaji in sa irin ɗan kanuni da ke jihar Maiduguri Najeriya tarkon magani uban sinafisa duk mutumin da ya karɓi wannan dutse ka gwada yana da matuƙar ƙona ciwo yana da martabar ƙwaƙulo cuta yana da martabar cin sanyi yana da martabar ƙona fasi yana da martabar ƙwaƙulo cutar typhoid da narke kai fitsarinsa a rabu da shi.
Just carry on 1.5, make I give you. I won't make you customer.
So give me 1.5.
It's 1.5 I give you. I'll select the big one. You can select. Which one?
How much?
2,000 for 3.
No be you sell for me last week. You see say I leave my barrel, come here.
Sorry.
Wetin happen?
Bring 1.5.
No, Baba.
It's what I sell for us.
It's just that today now, Baba they sell 1.5.
No.
How much in the sell before?
Depends what I buy. Depends what I buy for market.
It was 1.2 last week.
I sell 1.2. But it's not big reach this one.
It was 1.2.
Yeah, yes, it's not big reach this one. Candy, sai ma kin ciko mai.
Kawo ta ne.
Sai ma kin cika mani.
Nami where they clean on the house, yo. Nami where they wash on the capo. Nami where they cook. Nami where they wash on the clothes, yo. Nami where they work for your shop. Nami where they help you. Hey, I become a blessing, but my happiness will still be my own. Everybody can roll, no me say oh, roll, passing my own. Na na na, I become a blessing, but my happiness will still be my own. Hey, everybody can roll, no me say oh, roll, passing my own. I become a blessing, but where they wash una car, oh. Now me where they cook. Hey. Now me where they wash una clothes, yo. Now me where they work for your shop. Now me where they help you. Hey, I become a blessing, but my happiness will still be my own. Everybody can roll, no me say oh, roll, passing my own. Na na na, I become a blessing, but my happiness will still be my own. Hey, everybody can roll, no me say oh, roll, passing my own. Hey, I become a blessing, but my happiness will still be my own.
So guys, that was how I spent yesterday. Very hectic. Today is Friday. I'm going out. I need to run some errands and I also want to get to the bank. I still have not sorted out the issue on my domiciliary account. I cannot withdraw from that account. They've been rejecting every reference that I submitted, but that's story for another day. So if you watch up until this point, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my very next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and thank you.